Hey everyone, let me show you how the Notes section works in SyllabusPro AI. What are notes? Whenever you generate a topic explanation in study mode, you can easily save it to your notes. This creates a permanent copy that you can revisit anytime for revision. How to save a note. When a topic explanation is displayed in study mode, simply click the Save to Notes button. The entire topic, along with any AI tutor conversation you had, gets instantly saved. How to access your notes. Click Notes from the sidebar. Here you'll see all your saved material neatly organized by subject and unit. Navigating your notes is easy. First, click on any unit to open it. Then use the Previous and Next buttons to move between topics within that unit. You'll also notice a helpful progress bar at the top showing exactly how far along you are. View saved conversations. If you had a chat with the AI tutor while studying a specific topic, you can view that exact history by clicking View Saved Conversation. This is incredibly helpful for exam revision. Delete notes. Don't need a unit anymore? Just click the trash icon next to any unit to instantly delete all the notes inside it. Pro tip. Use the Notes section as your ultimate revision tool before exams. All your topics, explanations, and AI conversations are kept right here in one place. That's it for the Notes section. Start saving and revising smarter. See you in the next video.